Hi everybody. Uh, I work a little bit with my distributor. It's one guy say me need to work with a distributor. It's a little bit not correct time for Sparks. And after I work with distributor, engine start work better. And little bit I work with carburetor. I start engine all time with water. I have a water connection with a garden hose and water come to engine. I not start engine near 1 week. Then I uh, turn it distributor and start engine. Uh, it's engine start not bad, but when I turn it my distributor a little bit for sparks starts early, engine uh, starting better, and then I'm a little bit work with the carburetor regulation and for lower RPM. Over here I already open cut OSB broken. You can see it's board, and then I cut here on a 45. It's a two level OSB need put here. On the lower piece I put epoxy and special material on OSB, and then put here on epoxy. And I want to put fiberglass for go on the top, and laminate OSB with fiberglass on both sides. It's have old fiberglass when I show. When I glue first OSB, then I cut second part. Let's go over here near this area. It's a siphon air come for fuel tank. And glue on this 45 cuts too. On the first level, before I put second, put fiberglass, and on top I want to give fiberglass too. Over here I already remove carpet. It's on a factory put fiberglass on OSB, not have a fiberglass or epoxy, just fiberglass top on OSB. Need to remove seats and all carpet on the horizontal level on the floor. I plan to change it. Need to remove it, clean up with the machine old fiberglass, and I want to glue fiberglass on the top on the epoxy, top on OSB, then gel coat, and after gel coat put fiberglass. Right now I show you like engine start. I order tachometer and speedometer new. Tachometer have hour meter, engine work, how many hour, and speedometer with a GPS, not need drilling board and have something on the water. It's works just like regular GPS on a car. And speedometer have miles, how many mile you go count. I push accelerator and start engine. You can hear it start easy.
Я думаю, вы сами видели. Завелся с полоборотника. Пока он холодный, чуть высоковатые обороты, потом он обороты немножко сбросит. Ну а так работает, в принципе, устойчиво, мне нравится.
Right now need to clean up all inside and clean up floor. Use sand floor with the machine for remove old OSB. No, not OSB, gel coat. Right now I wait a little bit and start engine, not touch gas accelerator. Like it started without accelerate. I start a few times, not use accelerator, its engine start work great. I not change the battery. I have two old. It's connect to parallel and have a charger. It stay on charging whole night, and I start few time. It's right now just 25% of charge capacity. Okay, right now I start engine, not touch accelerator. Just turn it key. You see, like it's engine start. It's really good. It's on a straight video, not montage something. You can see it's engine start good. Okay, thank you guys for watch. Put comments, subscribe and share this video to your friends. When you have some questions, just write. I try to answer. And see you on the YouTube again.